What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to format text on Discord. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In case you have any issues in understanding the syntax symbols, then make sure to use the subtitles to see which keys I use. We'll first start off with how to bold your text. To bold your text, insert two asterisks, followed by your text, followed by two more asterisks. Press Enter. This will make your text bold. If you want to underline your text, insert two underscores, followed by your text, followed by two more underscores. Press Enter. This will simply underline your text. To strike through your text, insert two titles, followed by your text, followed by two more titles. Press Enter. This will give you strike-through text. To do italic text, insert one asterisk, followed by your text, followed by one more asterisk, and press Enter. This will italicize your text. You can also italicize your text by using the underscore symbol. Insert an underscore, followed by your text, followed by another underscore. Press Enter. Bold and italic text. If you want to bold and italicize your text together, simply insert three asterisks, followed by your text, followed by three more asterisks. Press Enter. This will bold and italicize your text at the same time. That's it for this video. These were some cool formatting tricks you can use on Discord. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.